My Goat A3000 is telling me that my trimmer line is empty, so let's go and see how we're going to replace this. I'm just going to prop it up on the swing set here. It is just one simple screw on the very bottom that we need to pull out, but right here on the side you can see that you can manually release more if you need to, and you can clearly see that we still have some in here. It is not empty. So let's go ahead and pop off this screw. And inside here, we have a little screw with a few washers. Make sure you put this somewhere safe so you don't lose that. Then we're gonna pinch the sides together. That comes out. And then I'm gonna hold down that button that releases it and then kind of pry it out here. It just works like any other trimmer line, but you can see that we still have a ton here. This is definitely more than half still left over. It doesn't really know when it is depleted, so it's just kind of estimating how many times it's used it. It said it did it 300 times at this point. Now, the big question is, can this be replaced so you don't have to buy new ones? Well, in here, you could remove that somehow, and maybe if you got new line, you would be able to heat that up and put it in there so it is solid. This line wasn't as thick as I thought, pretty bouncy here, but let's go ahead, wind this back up because we don't need to replace it. There you can see the new line on the right versus what we've used so far on the left. So still plenty available. Now we're just going to feed this back in, and we're going to have to wiggle this to get it into place like all the other trimmers. And then here you can see that locks into place. And now I'm going to place the cap back on, find the screw in the grass, screw that in, and here you can see the trimmer line is tight. And we are almost ready to go. The next thing that we need to do is head into the ECOVACS app. Tapping on the notice takes us right into the maintenance, and here we can tap the replaced option and we can confirm that it has been replaced, and it's going to go in here, and then we need to tap replaced on the bottom. Once we do that, it resets the count. We're back at 0. And if you do want to purchase more, you can head to ECOVACS to do that. And now we can send it back out to work.